Most IGCSE students think that A star is won at 8 a.m. in the exam hall. They are wrong. The A star is actually won the night before at 9 p.m. If you're waking up stressed, panicking about what to study, or feeling like your brain is a fog, your night routine is broken. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate 3-step night routine to wind down your brain and prime it for IGCSE success. Let's get into it. Step 1 is all about mental clarity. Your brain is not a storage unit, it is a processor. If you go to bed worrying about chemistry equations or English codes, you won't reach deep sleep. Take 5 minutes, grab a notebook, write down the top 3 things you must achieve tomorrow. Not 10 things, just 3. In sports, we call this visualization. By writing them down, you're closing the open loops in your brain. You're telling your nervous system it's okay to rest, the plan is ready. B-roll of your writing on a physical planner or using a tablet. Step 2. Step 2 is the digital and academic shutdown. In 2026, biggest enemy is blue light and academic guilt. That feeling that you should be studying until the moment your eyes close. Stop all heavy revision 60 minutes before you go to bed. No more past papers, no more active recall. Your brain needs to transition from beta waves, active stress, to alpha waves, relaxed. Switch to a low arousal activities. Pack your bag, lay out your school uniform, and check your calculator battery. Cramming at 11 p.m. is a trap. Science shows that sleep is when your brain moves information from short-term to long-term memory. If you don't sleep, you don't save what you studied today. Step 3. Finally, step 3, prepare the environment. As a PE teacher, I know that recovery is just as important as the workout. Tidy your desk. A messy desk is a messy mind. When you wake up to a clean workspace tomorrow, your friction to start studying is 0. Dim the lights, lower the temperature. If you use your phone for an alarm, put it across the room. Don't let a TikTok scroll be the last thing your brain processes before sleep. Look, IGCSEs are a marathon, not a sprint. You can't run a marathon if you don't recover. Start this 3-step routine tonight. Number 1, dump the thoughts. 2, shut down the tech, mobile phones, laptops, whatsoever. Number 3, reset the space. If you find this helpful, hit the subscribe button. I'm also finishing my master's in education right now, and I'll be sharing more science hack ways to help you ace your exams without losing your mind. I'll see you in the next video. Stay disciplined.